you can post consistently, get views, and even build a real audience on LinkedIn, but you can still have no predictable way to turn any of that into clients. That gap, guys, has a specific cause, and it sits right underneath the content. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly where it breaks and how, of course, you can fix it. I'm going to show you how what it takes to close onto your business, and this can be done in the next 30 days. So this video is built for one kind of person. Like, you have been paid recently, you have had real clients in the last 12 months, a proven offer and not just a hypothesis. You know LinkedIn could work. Your bias are in there. You've seen people in your space get clients from LinkedIn, but the conversations are inconsistent. Like, some months there are qualified calls, some months there aren't, and you can't really tell why. If you're crossing or you're checking one of these boxes, I would say save yourself your time and go watch a different video. This is not for follower growth. This is not for posting hacks. This is not a beginner course, and this is not someone who's going to run your business for you. Like what I'm about to show you, I'm going to show you exactly how we built the system, install it into your business, and then you run it. If you're still here, good, then this is built for you. So you have probably already decided what's wrong. And I would put money on it being one of those 4 things. Like 4 sentences I hear every day. I speak to founders every single week, and they either tell me I need more views, I need more leads, I need to post more, or I need to post or create better content. And every one of those things is a symptom, guys. Like, fix any of them on its own, and the number that matters won't move. Like, there is no system connecting your LinkedIn presence to a signed client. And this is not a missing tactic. There is a missing chain, and attention falls out of the gaps in it. And this looks like the following. So I interviewed the last 6 founders that started with us on day 0, and 5 out of 6, they had 0 inbound in a normal week. 4 out of 6 said their follow-up is broken, random, or it doesn't exist. And 4 out of 6 says the whole business runs on referrals and their own network. And like I said, these are their own words in the day that they signed. And every one of them, they already had been posting. So you might understand where I'm going with this. Like, every client you've ever signed through LinkedIn traveled the same stages, whether you build them on purpose or not. Like, here's how a stranger goes to a client, and in this specific order. First, you have your positioning, right? What you sell and who it's for. Then you have your profile, which qualifies you before you speak. Then you have the content, who earns the attention. You have the conversion, which turns a reader into a hands raised. You have the conversations, which means that you have hands raised turns into a call. And last but not least, of course, stage number 6, signed clients who turn into money in your bank account. But it only pays when every stage connects to the next, right? 1 weak link and the whole thing stops producing clients while still producing views. And this is what costs you downstream. So you might have your positioning dialed in, you know who you're for, you know what you're selling, your profile is optimized, and you have your content pushed. But there is no conversion happening. And because there is no conversion happening, the rest obviously as a chain also doesn't work. And this is the reason here is because you don't tell a reader what's next to do. And I see this happen all the time, guys. So because you don't have the conversion, like I said, the conversation don't happen and the clients don't happen. Everything upstream still works. It just leaks at stage 4. And that's why it doesn't work if you pull in more traffic into a broken system. It just produces more leakage. And this is what I see happening all the time. People's system is broken and they tell themselves, oh, I need to post more. I need to get more views. If I just have more views, I will make more money. No. And this is why posting harder never fix it. Like, you were pouring attention into the same gap, same chain, 3 different broken links. I'm going to show you 3 exact similar clients that went through the system, and you will see that it breaks in different sides of the chain. So Julius, one of our coaches, 6 months of posting, nothing came back. So before, he was publishing constantly for 6 months, no leads, no calls, and no idea why. The broken link in this stage, in his case, was stage 1, positioning. We fixed what he sold, or we rebuilt what he sold and who it's for. And then the profile, obviously, we made sure that we adopted that as well. After first inbound lead came within a week, and 3 months later, he had signed 6 ideal clients. Atanas, agency owner, he had an empty calendar. So he was barely getting any traction. He was publishing when he remembered to, but in no one particular voice. His broken link was obviously stage 3 content. The fix here is a content engine that was trained on his specific voice, making sure that he posted 3 times a week without staring at a blank screen. This resulted in 19 calls in a month and 3 clients signed in 30 days. Or Gabi, consultant, her leads were already there. So she had old leads sitting dormant in her pipeline, interested once but never followed up properly. Her broken link in this case was stage 5, conversations. So we implemented a DM system that works every time, worked every one of them in her own words with the next step every time. And this resulted in 15,000 euros in 4 weeks. And this is the beautiful thing, like this revenue was already sitting in her pipeline. There were no posts needed, there were no new traffic needed, no new content. It was just a way or a matter of like activating what was already in there. Like I said, no one of them needed more effort. Like they needed the broken link to be found and rebuilt. And then the work they're already doing starting to paying off. And you might have tried different fixes, right? And every piece lands on the chain. Like every one of them solves a real piece. Like posting more, it buys you attention, but nothing downstream of it. This is the content part. A ghostwriter, you might have worked with a ghostwriter. It solves production, but if your positioning is not right, then nothing works after that. You might have had like a DM setter or a DM agency. Like it solves outreach at the far end of the chain that hasn't warmed up any yet. So it works on the conversation stage, but if nothing around it is optimized, nothing really works. You might have bought a course of a coach, teaches all 5 stages, but you still have to build it all to come into existence. And you have obviously used AI and tools. Like it's 2026 August as I'm recording this. I would say the chance that you've used AI and tools at this stage is, I would say 99%, right? It makes every stage faster, which is great, but it connects none of it without understanding how to build the system as a whole. Like none of these things is wrong, guys. I'm not hating on them. It's just that each one solves a single stage of a 5-stage problem. Fix one link, and the other 4 still decide whether or not you get paid. And that's why we stopped treating LinkedIn like a content problem, guys. It's not that. We started treating LinkedIn like an installation problem. Like what we do with the Authority engine install, we diagnose what's missing, we build the pieces, we connect them, and we install the whole chain right into your business. It takes 30 days, you own it at the end, and you run it in about 4 hours per week. What we do, it's like 7 pieces, and each one does one specific thing. So I'm going to show you exactly how this chain is built. So each piece or every piece has one job. Like stage 1, the positioning, as I mentioned before, we build an offer doc. So it locks in what you sell and who it's for, rebuilt in 1 week before anything gets posted. Then stage 2, the profile, you get the profile optimizer, the bridge. It filters the wrong fit people out and it routes the right fit people once to a book call. Stage number 3, content. This is beautiful. This is what we call the voice print. You give a story in, there comes a finished post out, trained on your post and your calls, not generic content. And the reason we call this the voice print is because it's actually yours. Your voice print is different from any of the other clients that we have. We built this custom for you. So it's basically having a customized copywriter that knows exactly how you talk, exactly all the stories into your business. So stage number 4, conversion. We go into the Magnet Builder, the Visual Studio. So we have like readers that we turn readers into people who put their hand up. Stage number 5, conversations. The DM engine reads the reply, drops your next message, no lead left on the road. And again, similar to the voice print, in your tone of voice. No cookie clutter, no copy paste, no generic bullshit. No, in your specific tone of voice, fully tuned to your business. And stage number 6, the close. You get the closest brief, the proposal builder. You make sure that every time that you have a call, you show up prepped instead of winging it. And of course, it makes sure that your close rate goes up as well. So, and then the 7th one, and this is the beauty of the thing. Like we build it together in the Authority Engine OS and the operating manual, which is one dashboard, which I'll show in a second, that tells you what to do in what order every week. So every piece, guys, like I said, guys, it's configured from your inputs, your offers, your buyers, your voice, your proof. Nothing in it works out of the box. And that is deliberate, guys, because this is why the input doesn't read like anyone else. Like there are 5 steps we do 30 days. and we do it on a fixed clock. Like I said, week 0, we start with the diagnose. There is just one brief needed from you, which takes 60 to 90 minutes. We got some feedback from clients like, hey, this is the best discovery brief I filled in. I learned so much about my business, and that makes me trust you guys more. It's async. We do work with voice memos, and we find the broken link. That's up to us. Just give as much as information, and we fix it. We build. So in 7 days, you get the positioning, the offer doc, the profile, the content engine live on your business. 7 days, guys. Install in day 14, like we go over the conversion assets, the DM engine, the close kit, the chain connects end to end. Day 21, launch. So you run it live. You have real conversations in your inbox, real calls on your calendar. And day number 30, we tune it and we hand it over. So we make sure that every module tunes is against your specific results. Like then you get the keys and you run with the system. Like I said, guys, what you open on a Monday, it all ships as one dashboard. So this is a screenshot of the dashboard. It's super clean. You have everything listed out. It's fully built for you. As you can see, this is a sandbox for our specific business because I can't show you like client data, obviously, but it even greets you in your name. Like I know these little details, but for me it matters, right? Because it's your system, not something that's built for anyone. No, it's built for your specific system, and that's why we need 30 days to fully tune it and to fully have it. But basically, after 30 days, you have an asset in your business that you can use until, right? So the total week during the build, guys, we only need a 1 hour a week. No live calls, no sessions to show up. You review each delivery and tell us what to change. After 30 days, after 4 hours, it's about 4 hours per week to run the whole system yourself. But it basically takes care of all your marketing and all your LinkedIn efforts in order to get clients from the platform. So now the money, guys. Like start with what the next 6 months cost without this. Like there are four costs that don't show up on an invoice, right? You are having 2 more quarters of like referral roulette, like the most expensive option on the table and the easiest one to pick by accident. Like you just don't know when a referral comes in, right? Cost number 2, 200 plus of your own hours, and I'll go over this in a second. Like you can build a system. We've seen people do it. We've helped clients do it, but it just takes so much hours, and that's why we shift to this install, because we figured out a way how we can build the system into your voice and implement it into your business. That's why we're on the install. So yes, you can do it yourself, but of course it comes with a bill, a heavy 200-hour bill. Cost number 3, there are 4 vendors who don't talk to each other. So you might have a ghostwriter, a designer, a sales consultant, and all these tools. Like each one is covering one stage, but your system is still not locked in. Cost number 4, the clients you never met. They were on LinkedIn the whole time reading something else. Like this is why you have to have a system, right? So guys, the bill that I promised you, if you want to figure out your ICP and your positioning until you know exactly who you post for, takes around 30 hours. How do I know? I've seen people throughout the years within our programs go back and forth on figuring out their ICP and their position. It just takes time. So it will already take around 30 hours. Then creating an offer doc that people actually say yes to, another 15 hours. Rewriting your profile so it reads like a landing page, not a resume, another 15 hours. A content system with pillars, hooks, formats, URL every week, 40 hours. Takes a lot of time to just figure that out. And then 60 to 90 days of posting just to find your own voice. 60 hours, regarding the fact, or like considering the fact that you spend 1 hour a day on it, which is very, very reasonable. A DM playbook that you have to build out to start conversations without sounding like a pitch, another 15 hours. Again, I see people within our old program struggle with this over and over again, so that's why we decided to just take that off their plate and build that for them. And of course, sales assets and follow-ups so that calls don't die after sounds interesting, another 25 hours. So before you run the chain, before you run the system, you already have spent 200 hours on your own to build the system. Now, one typical client engagement covered this whole thing. Like we build and install this thing, you run it, and that's it, right? So that's the filter as much as the price. Like on this page, under the video, you will find the offer doc, you will find everything listed out, how you can get started with the install, the price, the guarantee, and all these things. But guys, the 4 things that you might be thinking right now, hey, I still just need more leads. Well, like I said, like leads port into a chain that breaks at stage 4 comes ends into nothing. Like more of them just leaks faster. I already tried LinkedIn. Cool, fair. But you've tried stages. Like almost no one has tried to connect a chain, because connecting is the expensive part, and it's also the part that every tactic skips. I could build this myself. Fair. You could. Everything in here is learnable, and I would never pretend otherwise. Like my whole LinkedIn, my whole YouTube, all this information is free. You can put the pieces together. But this is for people who don't want to spend the next 6 months doing or like filling in the gaps between delivery. Will it work for my niche? Well, if your buyers are on LinkedIn, this works. Like the chain stays the same. Your positioning and your content are what we customize. Like we've worked with coaches, consultants, agency owners, SaaS founders, fractional executives, ghostwriters, financial advisors, sales trainer, performance coaches, like you name it. I think by now we have worked with over 30 plus different industries over the last few years. So we've seen so many perspectives, and we always made it work when the system was dialed in. So please do not apply. Like, please don't click the link below if any of these things is you. Like if you don't have a validated offer yet, like the install needs work. You've been paid well for, not a hypothesis. If no one's buying yet, like we can't manufacture demand for something that the market hasn't paid for. Comes down to point one as well. You want a bigger following. Like this is not the case. Like we have people with 221 followers. Like one of our clients, Michael, he signed a seven-figure SaaS, like 7-figure deal for a SaaS agency. Like followers don't matter. Like it's a different goal, a different video. We build pipelines here. If you want to learn LinkedIn, like again, then this is not for you. You will be paying us to skip the exact part you want to do it yourself. Like we skip the learning part. You give us the information, we build the system, you run it, you get clients. That's how simple it is. So this is for someone who has a real business, who wants to turn LinkedIn into an asset. It's owned, it's running, and it's still yours the day we leave. But there are 3 questions you will stop asking. You won't be asking any of these on a Sunday night. What should I post today? Why aren't these views turning into anything? What am I supposed to get leads? Instead you own a chain that moves the right people from stranger to buyer on repeat. Like I said, Nicholas is one of our guys as well. I think I didn't mention it in this video. Like he runs the whole thing in 45 minutes a day, up to 20K a month with working 45 minutes a day on LinkedIn. Pretty fucking cool, right? And overall, like I said, we have worked with 200 founders that run this engine. In total, like $3.1 million in client revenue. And on average, the time to the next client is 7 weeks. If that's the system you want to be built inside of your business, like I said, guys, read the doc below under this video and apply. And here's exactly what happens. The application takes 5 minutes. Both founders, myself and my technical co-founder, we read everyone and you get an answer within 24 hours either way. And that's it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you know where to find me, and then I will hope to hear from you very soon. Cheers.